currently we are here at CLOOS India's booth. So let's hear from Mr. Sumon Mitra what new they have introduced over here and what new technology they have presented over here. So could you tell me what new technology and new equipment we have introduced over here?
We are showing here, first of all, very new and which was a long-term demand in the market, that for any robotic application or robotic welding application, customer always ask that what is the programming time, how the operator will be skilled to program the robots. So we launched now with the new technology, which is a program-free robotic welding system. So you can only have the product in front of the robotic system. System will not only generate where the welding has to be done, it will also generate the welding parameter automatically, and even after scanning, if there is a variation in the long path of the welding, the system is already equipped with online seam tracking. Secondly, we in welding technology, we changed single weld to tandem in 1995. That was a big change in the industry, which CLOOS is known for. High speed welding, heavy deposition, fast welding, even with a lower distortion. Now, in the addition to the tandem technology, we are now with Tandem Plus. And the Tandem Plus is with 30% more deposition and similar heat input like tandem. So the third wire is not any addition on the heat input. So that's the best part, that you are welding 30% more deposition or using it for a faster welding, but without any additional heat input. Means no deformation. Except additional to this, we are showing our manual welding application with different process, cobot welding with online seam tracking without any camera. We are showing entry level welding robotic cell. So it's a complete package for the welding industry, and we are look forward to help the industry.
And could you tell me what kind of R&D you have done behind that new technology you have introduced?
R&D, like we mentioned, that the recent successful R&D was Tandem Plus. It was a definitely last few years we did the experiment on that, that just to increase from 2 wire to third wire, or if we are going from 2 to 3, what are the effect of an additional 3 wire. So that's why we told that the third wire is coming with a old wire finally, so that advantage is there with the deposition and fast welding, but no metallurgical additional heat input, no deformation. So this is the most successful R&D, which is already patented in the name of CLOOS.
And like how does CLOOS India adapt robotic solutions to meet Indian MSME's demands?
As CLOOS having the welding DNA, so whenever we talk about automation, we have always a approach that what is the welding solution we need to provide to the customer. And during last 30 years of experience in the Indian market, there are demand, different sector in a different requirement. Somewhere you need a very simple welding, but in a very high effective in terms of productivity. Somewhere the challenge is very high. There is various adaptability required, because the welding seams are coming with a lot of variation in terms of position. Welding seams are coming with variation also with a volume change because of the input quality. So we call it adaptive welding. So we are supplying to many customer that even not only the position shifting, but also if the volume of the welding seam keep on changing due to input quality, the system is inbuilt to change the parameter automatically.
And thank you so much for talking to us. It's a great time with you. Thank you.